Learn English 10x faster. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Have you ever wished you could learn English faster? Maybe you feel like your progress is too slow, and you get frustrated when you don't see quick results. The good news is that there are strategies that can help you learn English up to 10 times faster. In this video, I'll share powerful methods that will transform the way you learn. Whether you're a beginner or already have some experience, these techniques will help you improve your English quickly and effectively. The problem: why learning feels slow. Many English learners struggle because they use inefficient methods. They focus too much on grammar rules, memorize long vocabulary lists, or study only through textbooks. While these things are useful, they are not the fastest way to improve. The key to learning quickly is using the language actively rather than just studying it passively. Think about how children learn their first language. They don't sit down and study grammar for hours. Instead, they listen, repeat, and practice daily. If you want to learn English faster, you need to adopt a similar approach. 1. Immerse yourself in English every day. One of the fastest ways to improve is immersion. This means surrounding yourself with English as much as possible. Even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, you can create an English environment around you. Change your phone and computer settings to English. Listen to English podcasts while doing daily activities. Watch English TV shows and movies with subtitles. Read English books, articles, and news regularly. Try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. By making English a part of your daily life, you will absorb the language naturally and improve much faster. 2. Speak from day one. Many learners wait until they feel ready to start speaking. The truth is, the longer you wait, the harder it becomes. Speaking from the beginning, even if you make mistakes, will help you improve quickly. Find a language partner or tutor to practice with. Talk to yourself in English when you're alone. Record yourself speaking and listen to your pronunciation. Repeat phrases and sentences after native speakers. Join online English-speaking groups or communities. The more you speak, the more comfortable and confident you will become. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection. 3. Use the shadowing technique. Shadowing is a powerful method used by many language learners. It helps with pronunciation, listening skills, and speaking fluency. How to do it? 1. Find a short English audio or video clip with subtitles. 2. Listen to a sentence and pause. 3. Repeat the sentence immediately, trying to match the speaker's pronunciation, tone, and speed. 4. Continue this process with the entire clip. Practicing shadowing for just 10 to 15 minutes a day can dramatically improve your speaking skills and make you sound more natural. 4. Learn phrases, not just words. Many learners memorize individual words, but this is not the best way to build fluency. Instead, learn phrases and expressions that native speakers use. For example, instead of memorizing the word busy, learn phrases like, "I'm really busy right now. I have a lot on my plate. I'm tied up at the moment. Learning words in context helps you understand how they are used naturally in conversation. This makes it easier to remember and use them correctly. 5. Focus on high-frequency words. Did you know that just 1,000 words make up about 85% of everyday English conversations? Instead of trying to learn thousands of difficult words, focus on the most common ones first. Learn the top 1,000 to 2,000 most frequently used words. Practice using these words in sentences. Notice how they are used in real-life conversations. Once you master the basics, learning new words becomes much easier. 6. Make learning fun and engaging. If learning feels like a boring task, you won't stay motivated. The best way to learn fast is to enjoy the process. Play English learning games or quizzes. Listen to music and try to understand the lyrics. Follow social media accounts that post in English. Join online discussion forums or comment on videos in English. When you make learning fun, you will naturally spend more time practicing without feeling tired or bored. 7. Learn by teaching others. Teaching is one of the best ways to deepen your understanding of English. When you explain something to someone else, you reinforce your own knowledge. Share what you learn with a friend or family member. Start a language journal or blog about your learning journey. Join an online group and help beginners with simple explanations. Teaching forces you to organize your thoughts and use English actively, which speeds up your learning process. 8. Be consistent and patient. The biggest mistake learners make is expecting instant results. Learning a language takes time, but with consistent practice, you will improve much faster than you think. Set a daily learning goal. Even just 10 minutes a day helps. Track your progress and celebrate small achievements. Don't be afraid of mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Stay motivated by reminding yourself why you want to learn English. Every small step adds up. The more consistent you are, the faster you will see results. Final thoughts. Start learning smarter today. Now that you know how to learn English 10x faster, it's time to take action. Start using these techniques today and see how much progress you can make in just a few weeks. What's the first strategy you will try? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep learning, keep improving, and see you in the next video.